This is a small space heater. This personal space heater is ready to use and requires no assembly. Just plug it into a standard outlet and turn it on and enjoy the warmth on cold days. This 350 watts desktop heater brings considerable heat in just 1 second, accompanying you through a warm and cozy winter. This mini space heater has an intelligent design that automatically shuts off when the temperature reaches 131 Fahrenheit and has a tip-over protection when the heater tilted to 45 degrees. This heater has a built-in handle so you can take it in bedroom, living room, office, and more. This is a small space heater.